Taylor Swift songs. I want to cry. That was like the best way to spend my Saturday night. Hey guys, I am fixing to make some dinner right now. So here's the scoop of what's happening. One of my best friends, Kaylee, just turned 20 3 or 4 days ago. Last weekend, she celebrated her birthday by having a bunch of girls go to McCall, Idaho, which is like 2.5 hours away from Boise. I was invited, but I couldn't go because my family was in town. So I wanted to do something for her birthday. So I saw this ad. I was scrolling on TikTok actually when I saw it, which is kind of crazy, because marketing was phenom.com, and it was an ad for this candlelight concert, so pitch black in this beautiful cathedral church, and there was just all of these candles lit everywhere, and in front and center was this symphony playing, like strings, violins, all of the prettiest things. By the way, I'm making some dinner right now. It's 5:30. We're gonna be making just a little homemade chicken Caesar salad. I clicked on the link, looked online, and there's so many different themes. One night they play all Hans Zimmer, which if you've ever seen Interstellar, he composes some beautiful music. And then I saw that there was a night where they're playing all Taylor Swift songs. And I know my best friend loves Taylor Swift, so I was like, okay, yeah, we're getting tickets for this. Immediately added the tickets to cart, and then I sent her a little text saying, surprise, we're going. And so here we are, the night has finally come. I wanted to take you guys along on the special night. So that's what today's video is gonna be all about. This salad that I'm making is so freaking easy. I'm gonna share the recipe with you guys. All you need is some spring mix, some rotisserie chicken. If you're a college student, I'm gonna put you on a little hack. If you go to Costco, you can get these rotisserie chickens for $4. It's this huge chicken. You gotta get your hands a little dirty, but that's fine. Best deal ever. This chicken is fire, and you can save it, make enchiladas with it, add it to salad like I'm doing right now. I squeezed some lemon in there. That could have been so bad. And now I'm about to put some Caesar dressing. I've got some Kalamata olives in there. 100% gonna be adding that in this. One of my older videos popped up on my channel. You guys, I had complete bleach blonde hair. Honestly, that whole era of whatever I thought looked cute, which I don't know, I think it was fitting for the time. It was during COVID. Everybody was kind of in like Visco girl era, edgy, whatever. Now, no, that's just never happening again. But if you've been here that long, thank you for supporting me when I had caterpillar lash extensions and ridiculously blonde hair. Definitely feel more like myself with the natural hair, no lashes on, even just feeling more confident without any makeup on. I don't know if it's a phase that every girl goes through. I'm very happy and proud of myself with the progress that I've made when it comes to health, eating, the way I look at food, and confidence within myself to just embrace the natural. Comment down below if you're an olive girl, and if you are an olive girl, are you also a pickle girl? Because I feel like those go hand in hand, and I could eat a whole jar of pickles in one setting. Haley, which is the girl that I'm seeing the Candlelight concert with tonight. I already saw her earlier today because we had a little puppy play date. She's watching this adorable golden doodle named Gus. At first, I don't think they liked each other, but then by the end of the long walk, they loved each other. And then after that, I met my friend Allie for coffee at this place called Caffeina. I had the best honey rose matcha. I swear, I'm like ascending into heaven when I go to that place. It's that good. And then I like to add a little bit of crunch. So here's a little tip. I've talked about these crackers before so many times, but I swear they're just that good. I keep these Simple Mill almond flour crackers in here. I have the rosemary and sea salt flavor. The ingredients in this are insane, so minimal, so healthy. And my favorite thing to do is just add them to my salad in place of croutons. Unless you make homemade croutons, some of these brands will throw really weird things in it, and then it's just not healthy for you. Basically like a crouton, 20 million times better. Salad is all done. Let's grub. I completely forgot that I had to do this Excel quiz for my accounting class, so just finished that up. Ran a little bit later than expected, but it's okay because we're gonna speed run and we're gonna do some makeup together. There's a new foundation that I really want to try out, so tonight is gonna be the first night that I'm trying it. I just prepped my face with the Bare Minerals Prime Time. This is a 2-in-1, so it hydrates your face while also leaving it glowy. This is the foundation that I'm so excited to try out. It's the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. Ooh, Look at that, it's already so silky. I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending it on my face. It's super lightweight and doesn't feel heavy already. I swear, if they start playing Enchanted tonight, I might actually cry. That is my favorite song from Taylor Swift. Also, I've gotten this question before asking if I'm a Swiftie. Hopefully my answer to this does not cause any controversy, but this is what I genuinely think of Taylor Swift. I think she's incredibly talented. She was the epitome of my childhood growing up. Do I understand the whole fangirling? No, but I respect her so much that I can't judge her or fault her for anything because she has worked so hard to get to where she's at. I also think the reason why people just don't like her is because people don't like seeing other people win, which is honestly really sad, but it is the harsh truth about our society. And let me tell you, between Travis Kelce and her success with her tours and albums, that girl is winning. I really am doing speed makeup right now. I have to pick Kaylee up, so I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. I mentioned in my last video that my new favorite TV obsession has been the show Suits, and so many of y'all DM'd me after I posted that video and said that that is like one of y'all's favorite shows as well. And then I posted a TikTok about how I absolutely hate this character Hardman in the show. He's so annoying. I don't like using that word because it's never good to hate anybody, but wow, Suits really made me hate a character and I just do not like him. He's evil and annoying, and if you know what I'm talking about, you know, you get it. I'm gonna bake my face with the one and only Laura Mercier powder. This powder can be buried with me whenever I pass away. That's how good it is. I look absolutely terrifying. The hardest class this year that is kicking my butt, and maybe I'm just really bad at numbers and Excel, has to be Accounting 206. I took Accounting 205 last semester, but that class was low-key a joke. This one is actually really freaking hard, and I thought that the hardest one was gonna be microeconomics. It really isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, and I think part of that has to do with the fact that I took macroeconomics first. And some might say that that's out of order because you would think to take micro first. So I feel like I have a general understanding of economics. Plus I have the sweetest professor ever. He's from Turkey and his accent, oh my gosh, I could literally cry. He's so cute. This is my current favorite eyeshadow palette. It's from Too Faced and it is the Natural Nudes palette. This couldn't be a more fitting palette for me. I really don't like wearing heavy makeup. I adore natural nude colors and then of course the pretty gold shimmers and whatnot, but nothing too crazy or out of this world. I got this Laura Mercier brown eyeliner in the shade Cocoa. It's a pencil, but it glides on almost like it's liquid eyeliner. And then I'm gonna do a little bit on my waterline. I definitely wanna do some sort of shimmer on my lid today. We're gonna do some blush. This is the cutest little blush ever. It's the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek Stain. I have one in my purse because you never know when you need just a little bit of color on your face. And a technique that I do that works really well for Asian features is brushing your blush downwards. What I was always told was to kind of brush upwards on like the apples of your cheeks, but my bone structure, for example, is different, and so the technique that I love is brushing down. If you're gonna put any sort of shimmer on your eye, use your ring finger because that's when you can like really get in there. I'm gonna use the shade Shimmering Pearl up here. Just gonna use my ring finger. Look at that pigment. Your finger picks up more pigment than any brush. Stroke that on my lid. My mascara routine probably seems extra. Gotta do what you gotta do. First I go in with my lash separator to make sure that all my lashes are separated and ready to be curled. You've never truly experienced girlhood unless you've curled your lashes and pinched your eye. That and hitting your nail on like a car or something is probably one of the worst pains ever, and people don't understand it unless it's happened to them. I'm gonna be going in with the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. Perfect! Tonight we're rocking Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner. This is an OG one. And then my current favorite lipstick is the MAC Cosmetics Velvet Teddy Matte Lippy Glossier clear lip gloss. Last little bit, we're gonna do some liquid highlighter. This is from Rare Beauty. A little goes a long way as well. You just take your finger and you blend it out on your cheekbone so that when the light hits you, you glow like a glazed donut. And then obviously we're gonna put some on the nose. I'm kind of feeling inner corner glow today. So I'm gonna take one of my fine makeup brushes, this light shade called Glistening Snow, and I'm gonna put it on the inner corners of my eyes. I decided that I'm gonna wear this little black number from Windsor. Hello, hi. me. This dress was actually a part of my Caroline Manning Windsor prom collection. I did a campaign with them and I had my own prom line during, I think it was my junior year of high school. Maybe it was my senior year, I'm not sure. That was so much fun. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it then. I haven't worn this dress for any occasion and I feel like it's perfect for tonight. For anybody looking for a good heat protectant spray, the Living Proof Heat Styling Spray is my go-to. Absolutely love it. And then my favorite curling iron is this one from Bioionic. I will link it down below because I think every girl needs to have this in their toolbox. I've got a solid 20 minutes to get my hair curled, so we're just gonna grab random pieces. But something that no one prepares you for is how fast time goes once you grow up. The other day, I remembered something that one of my high school teachers told me. She was my Spanish teacher, actually. It just made me really, really sad for some reason. What she had told me when I was in high school was that how you perceive holidays in different parts of your life, it always comes around full circle. So for example, when you're a kid, you love going trick-or-treating and you love Halloween, all the things that come with dressing up, going out and getting candy. Once you're a teen, then trick-or-treating kind of starts looking a little bit different. Maybe you're staying out later, you're not going with your parents. Then when you're in high school, you start going to parties, and same with college. Parties kind of become like a big central. And then once you're in your 20s and stuff, you're not married, you don't have any kids, you don't really pass out candy, you just kind of stop celebrating it. Or you start staying in, drinking wine, having house parties. And then once you're an adult, it's like you come full circle. You get to relive all of that through your kids and you get to help pick out their costumes. My parents at least had block parties with our neighbors and they just prop up a lawn chair, have some drinks. I think the sweetest one of all is when you're older. Everybody's out of the house and you're a grandparent, or I just think that there's something so beautiful about that. And being in college now, I really am seeing how fast time goes and how important it is to cherish it, because a part of me wishes I could just give my younger self a hug and tell her to embrace the moment and not grow up too fast. I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair off camera and call my friend back because I just missed a call from them. So I'll see you guys in a sec. For tonight's jacket, I'm kind of feeling this little number. Perfect. Cannot forget some perfume. We gotta be smelling good, obviously. Today's perfume is this Dior one. Options for heels. Tonight I'm feeling like wearing these black Burberry wedges. These are easy and it's freezing outside, so I don't really feel like falling with a stiletto on. And then from my bag, I'm gonna bring this guy. MAC lipstick, Glossier lip gloss in here. I think we're ready to go. We're getting in the mood with some sleepwalk. This song is Mwah, Chef's Kiss. I'm out front of her apartment building. Ah, she looks so cute. Humbling. Oh.
I can't work a phone.
Let's make a sticker out of it. Rope it. No pop-up big food is. Let's look at the lineup. Okay, Kayleen, what song are you most excited for?
Ooh, I think that's hard. I think I'm most excited for Enchanted. Me too. That concert was amazing. And I just dropped Kaylee off, but we were singing this song, Enchanted, full volume up. I want to cry. That was like the best way to spend my Saturday night. When I saw your face start to make its way to me, the playful conversation started. Enchanted. I cannot wait to take these heels off. As much as I wish I was a heels girly, I just can't do it sometimes. Hello! Oh, big stretch. I feel like I didn't do a full OOTD. Here's tonight's fit.
Teenage therapy. Just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and breathe. A song in good conversations tastes just like medication.